Hey guys, this is Jeet Gupta, and in this video I want to quickly share a cool YouTube ninja trick with you. I want to show you how to use an awesome feature in YouTube to get free advertising. Yes, that's right. YouTube offers you that, especially if the content you're creating is good quality, information rich content. What you need to do is create an ad for your channel and then connect it to your fan finder. Let me show you how. First, log into your channel. I've already logged into mine, and go to the channel page and you will see a link which will say Video Manager. Click on it, and this will actually load the entire control panel for your channel on the sidebar. There, click on your channel settings. So you'll see some channel settings, and we don't need to work with these right now. What we need to do is click on the fan finder. This is the new feature in YouTube, specially made for content rich YouTube channels. If you're producing a lot of good content which has some good information or is entertaining, or it adds value to the viewers in some other manner, then you can ask YouTube to advertise on your behalf, and they will use a special algorithm to figure out what niche your channel is in, and whenever it sees a viewer who's interested in that niche and could be a potential subscriber or a viewer for your channel, they might show your ad to them. So coming to fan finder, what you need to do next is click on select your channel ad. This will give you a list of some of your videos. If you are lucky, your ad might appear here, but if it doesn't appear here, don't worry. Just paste your YouTube ad URL right here and click save. You'll have to make sure that the video you are choosing is on your channel. In my case, my ad is right here, and I click on it and click save. And this will connect my ads to my fan finder, and I can add multiple advertisements. I can add as many ads as I want. So this is one of my ads which has now been submitted to YouTube for approval. They will review it, and if everything is in order, they will start showing it to other people who visit similar channels. So this was a quick and a nice tip to get YouTube to do some free advertising for you, and you can gain some viewers or some subscribers from this, and maybe your channel can be a bit more popular without you having to pay for anything. Just a couple of tips about advertisements. Don't make huge advertisements. Don't make 1 minute or 2 minute ad videos. Keep your ad videos short. Keep them around 20 to 30 seconds, and make sure they're engaging. Make sure they're saying something nice, and there's a message in them. There's that you grab the viewer early on. Use music if you need to. There is a very nice library that now YouTube has made available to us in the creation tools. Use that library, or you can actually get a person to deliver your message from fiverr.com if you don't do it yourself. But do what's needed to create some really engaging ads for your channel and upload them here. Alright then, I'll see you again till the next tip. This is Jeet Gupta signing out.